What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. My Disneyland pass is about to run out, so I am back here and I want to make today my perfect last day at Disneyland. How are we going to do that? For me, my perfect day would be going on the only ride I have never gone on at the park, meeting a character, and grabbing a churro. Let's go. Obviously, it's not a perfect last day at Disneyland without friends. Gabe has arrived. You guys are gonna help me today.
Perfect last day at Disney. We gotta do Indy and Matterhorn.
Ooh.
And then we gotta go to Bengal barbecue to eat.
I love that.
It's the best meat I've ever had. Pause.
Well, you are gonna help me check off one of mine right away. Tiana's Bayou Adventure.
Yeah, I've never been on it.
I've never been on it either, so it's gonna be both of our first time.
Let's do it.
Let's go. Formerly Splash Mountain. We're doing this right away because the sun is up, and if we get wet, I don't want to be shivering, freezing in my little booties.
Yeah, I'm not trying to be cold at all. Let's get it done now.
This is the first major change I've seen to the ride. They got Tiana's kitchen with all those delicious beignets.
Hey, we got a lot of weight in the front right now, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I don't like this. What the hell?
Oh, hi, Tiana. Tiana's Foods. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Everybody's welcome.
No. Okay,
Even black
okay. Whew. How did I get stuck on the front, bro? I'm gonna get soaked. Hello?
What's up, buddy? I'm a little scared, dude. I'm a little scared.
Yeah, here comes the first one right around the corner.
I'm pretty sure it's the one inside that really kills you.
Oh, great, dude. No. Hey! Holy
Did it get you a lot?
no. Hey, the big gator. Now, how does one play this instrument? Dude, this is gonna be bad. You guys won't see it, I'll let you know. Oh my! Screw you, frog. Screens now. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, you're all happy. Look at you, dry. Save me, Grandma. This is my last home. All right, I'm getting soaked again. Oh no, here we go.
Hey, everyone. I'm Cap. Don't forget to subscribe.
I love you, Mom! No.
Oh, I got my face.
No.
Did it get you bad?
Not as bad as the first one. Why? Dude, look at my shirt. Oh my God. Dude, it's bad. Well, we just got off the ride. I took a huge wave on that first drop. My pants are supposed to be this color right here, light gray. Look at my whole leg. Dude, at least it's out of the way. I can check it off. The only ride I've never done at the park. Check off churro. Needed that. Nice and hot. Let's see if you guys can see the water. There's a little bit.
Indy and Matterhorn, I think, over the time has gotten so much better, and it's one of my favorite rides.
It's eventually gonna break down once today. Check that out. Gabe's shoes glow in the dark, everyone.
Yeah, bro, come on, bro. Balenciaga, you already know.
You ready for some Indiana Jones?
Of course.
Oh, hit the gas! You hit me with the laser eye. The only thing that could really kill us now is a giant boulder. Wait, what's the Indy behind you? A giant boulder! No!
The boulder feels conflicted.
Yeah, take that, giant boulder! You ain't got nothing. We survived Indiana Jones, and right outside of Indy is Gabe's food spot, Bengal Barbecue.
Dude, man, it's just delicious, man. As you can see right here, we have a beautiful saucy meat stick. Meat stick.
Yeah. Gabe has hyped up Bengal Barbecue for as long as I can remember. Oh, yeah.
Okay, he's over-exaggerating.
Nope, I had to fight that thing, dude. I feel like I killed it. I let Gabe get a piece. God, dude, I'm chewing so hard to try and eat this. We're getting there. Oh my God. I'm trying to split it. Okay. I got enough down to where I can talk. Yeah, pretty good. Bengal barbecue, done. Oh, hey everybody, I thought this would be a great time to tell you I finished my 3 for the day! Ah, God, Yeti! Gabe leading the charge here on Matterhorn. Just a little pit stop on our day. Nice, where's the beautiful waterfall? Wow! I don't want to get wet, no more wet, no more wet, no more wet. Not even a drop. Woo! We're good. Cheated the system. We both took single rider and they put us on the same one.
Dude, they put us on the same one, bro. No way.
We skipped all that. Yes, I've completed my 3. We met a character, Captain Hook. Check them all off. I think we need more friends. This day's not even close to over.
We're getting more friends.
It's been a long time since I've been to the parks. We are now over in California Adventure. It's my first time seeing San Francisco. There it is, a little combination of San Francisco and Tokyo. And by the way, Dean's here.
Let's do it, y'all. Hey, first time at Disney, man. We're gonna have a great time.
Okay. What's good, Ducky? Barilla y horchata.
Muy bien, muy bien.
We're getting towards nighttime now. Like it's hoodie weather. Let me grab it out of my bag. It is soaked from Bayou Adventure. If I were to wear this, I'd be colder than I am right now. I wish you guys could really feel how wet it is. It's like I just got off the ride. One more softball friend who's actually right here. Wow, perfect timing. Kershey, everybody.
Could have worked out perfect. You
I
said
know.
my name 3 times, I spawned.
Oh, that's how it works.
Yeah.
All right, try it at home. Perfect day at Disney. What do you got for me?
I got Incredicoaster best ride. That's the best ride ever since it's been here. And then I heard y'all predicted my spot.
Yeah, we went to Cocina Grill. That was the spot you chose. So we had a lot of good food.
And I haven't ate all day, and those are the best tacos I've ever had, and you guys went without me.
But good news, I got a hack to get us on Incredicoaster pretty quickly. All right, here's the cheat code. Ready? All right, shawala wala. Is that how it works? Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey, bro, I'm going to just start walking up to random employees and doing that.
Yes, sir. You want to hold it?
Yeah. I just hold it.
I'm going to trust Dean, and I'm going to give him the GoPro for the ride.
Yep, hey, 2X out hands right here. Never dropped a pass in my life. Boo, 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 boo. Start with the rollio.
3, 2, 1.
I'm showing on to do.
I hope you all had fun with Dean, but I feel so rude. I haven't even asked you. One ride.
On the ride, probably just go cars. You know, like swerving.
Hell
Stop
yeah.
the car and then swerving. Whoa, whoa.
Dean, you want to get on cars? All right, we have to hold up our ones. We good? Oh my goodness.
This ain't that clean as hell.
Holding up our ones. This is how we getting on cars right now. Little cheat code. Yes, sir. Let's go. Yo, little shortcut for cars. Oh, what is this? What is this move? I've never seen this one before.
God bless. Shout out Soup.
Yeah, hold up that one. Hold up that one.
Shout out Soup.
Say less, man. That's all I got to do. Say less. We even got traffic on the Cars ride.
Glimpse of LA, bro.
All right, now we're on this open road. Oh my God, what a view.
Mount Everest.
Oh, oh shit! What's up, Mater?
Oh!
All right, adjust the tires, adjust the tires. Oh, it's in here.
Hey, they didn't even fix our tires.
I know. Okay, it was that room. You going down? You going down? You going down? Oh! Oh no! 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 Let's go! Let's go! Yeah! Oh yeah! One final run! They going down! No! 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 That is rigged! Damn it! Rigged!
That is bullshit!
Damn it! I just lost the house!
We like Vinny Bears! We like Vinny Bears!
You lost 50 pounds.
We lost 50 pounds! That's a collective group! I want their car inspected.
It's because we didn't get our tires cleaned.
I know, bro. We didn't get them checked, we didn't get them rotated, they just sent us through.
Because they didn't fix our tires.
L's after L's, y'all.
Oh God, because they didn't fix our tires.
And at last I see the light.
Some last minute appearances from my friendos. Javi, Alan. Javi, this would not be a perfect last day if I did not get to see one more nightmare-fueled drawing from you.
I beg your pardon? I personally like my drawings. My mom says she's proud of me.
What's the star from?
Wish.
Wish?
I'd rather watch him draw than get any right here.
Just so I don't forget. Not done, bro. Class is over, bro.
All right, class, gather around. All right, not bad, not bad. All right, I like it, I like it.
It's my best one I've ever done.
Javi?
It's actually like top 3 of my like best ones I've ever done, bro.
What's with the rainbow of stars?
I got a little excited. I want to keep going.
Oh, I love Javi's drawings. What else we got, Dean?
I drew 2 because I'm
Hold on. Oh my goodness. Wait, let me see. I love that from Tiger. Let's.
That is the worst here. That is so bad.
Wait, can we see yours?
Okay, yeah, the best for last. You ready?
Yeah.
He drew Snorlax.
It's a Snorlax.
That's a Snorlax?
My top 3, bro.
You got Javi saying top 3 of all time for him.
what-
So I think everyone's agreeing these might be the top worst.
Dean
Which
is
one?
the worst, bro.
Hey, so Dean on left.
See, he had to do a practice.
No, I
run.
did it because I was bored.
Hey, bro, he gave up. He gave up midway and restarted.
If you look at the shading on that, bro.
Comments, what do you think? Oh, my favorite dessert at the park. The big cookie. You want to break it? Go ahead. He's a big cookie. Big cookie. Javi and Alan are currently discussing what they want to do. What ride?
Ask him.
Buddy. We're doing Rise. Rise? I love Rise. It's actually my favorite ride at both parks. Let's go. Bro, I'm kicking that little fella like it's the World Cup, bro. He looks just like a soccer ball. Oh.
Resistance sympathizers, you have been captured by the First Order. Prepare to be interrogated.
Stormtrooper. Stormtrooper. Oh no, I'm being captured by the Empire. Oh no.
What are they gonna do? Shoot me?
Are they feeding you over there?
Not good.
Not good. So scary. Oh no. Javi, watch out. We got a big killer robot in front of you. Oh shit. Oh, he forgot how to shoot missiles. Wow, most inaccurate shooters in all the games. Yeah, what? Oh, not the atta. Backing up, backing up, backing up, backing up. Kylo, you got one juicy booty, bro. Oh shit, you heard me. Hey, no, I didn't mean it, bro. I didn't mean it. I didn't know this ride took you to space. Watch out, watch out, watch out! Oh! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! See you later. We're totally not gonna fall out of the It has been a long day, but it has been a perfect last day at Disneyland. Thank you to all my friends that pulled up, gave me all their suggestions. It really made this day perfect. Like the video, subscribe, tell your mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, best friends, sister, and uncle, everybody you know to subscribe if they haven't already. Join us, lock in with the Kleschka crew. We're trying to get to 250,000 subscribers, and you can help us do that. I got this, you got this, we all got this, and I'll see you next time.